Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to cook chapati. So our today ingredients are special. So what we are using today is 1 cup of hot water, a cup of milk, this is sugar and salt, and let's mix this. Please guys, give this video a like so that it can be recommended to others and we can reach as many people as we can. So as you can see, our dough is almost ready. So we are going to add a little bit of oil. You can see how soft it is. So we are going to add oil to avoid it from sticking. We continue kneading until it's ready. As you can see, our unga is ready. So at this point, I'm going to set it for 5 minutes and then we're going to come back. Please subscribe, like, give this video a thumbs up. So we are cutting this and dividing it into some portions. So after this, we're going to roll. Please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my channel. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much. And to those who are new to this video, to this channel, you're so welcome. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. So I'm going to pick one by one and I'm going to roll it here. So let's roll this. Hope you're doing well where you are. Please comment below. You can try this recipe and tag me in your video. Comment below where you're watching this video from. So we are going to spread oil. Tupake unga yetu mafuta. So we are going to roll it like this. The reason why I'm doing this is because I don't want it to dry up. See? So it's very soft. Then I'm going to set that aside. So you're doing this depending on the preferred size of your chapati. Please guys, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment below. I'll be so happy to see where you're watching this video from. And also comment another recipe that you'd like us to do in this video. So we are repeating the process. And form as many rolls as you can. That's a good circle. Please, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. Another thing, if you use oil during the preparation, so you'll find out when you're cooking the chapatis, you don't have to use a lot of oil. Please try the recipe and comment below. I would be so happy to see someone has tried my recipe. I would really appreciate. Please try and tag me in your video. We are done with our rolls. You can see they're so soft. I've added some oil on top of them so that they cannot dry up. So for now, we are going now to roll our chapatis. Please guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up and comment below where you're watching this video from. This will really encourage me. Okay. Try this. So I'm going to do this to all my rolls. You can see how soft it looks like. You can see how my chapati looks like. So I'm going to place another one on top to avoid burning my fingers. So this is the procedure I'm going to use to roll my chapatis. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share.